The gantries have been reassembled. And that's about all we're going to do today, because of course, thunder, lightning, very, very frightening. We will use them to help lower the pontoon.
No Martin sisters were harmed in the assembly of these gantries.
Don't believe a word she says. My emotions were severely harmed.
Wipe your mustache off. Here,
My mustache.
let me lick it.
No, stop it.
Hey, that's who you want a tattoo?
Don't do it. Oh my God. And there it goes on the scissor trailer. He's going to turn it around because we have to face it the other way and lower it back down. Looky here. What do we got, Ruth?
Well, we got the Avion 1967 on top of the 1997 Fun Party Tune 30-footer. And my sister, that'd be Paula Martin, has stripped it down, made it look beautiful, built these gantries right here, and two women, 70-year-olds, 60-year-olds, have been doing this entire project.
Yep.
I tell you what. And I'm about tired.
I'm butt tired. Okay, you're gonna get a around the world view here. Do 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 do, all the way around the world. Yeah yeah yeah. It's now on top of the pontoons. So the only other lifting type thing is going to be lifting this up on back on top of its regular trailer. But we won't do that until everything's fastened down well. We set the gantries back down to a lower position in hopes that no wind can foil us again. because it really beat up the poor Avion the last time we had a 87-mile-an-hour wind. Please, no more. Well, there it is, all the way around.
And I would just like to say that all the little people out there that made Pontoon Queen 2023 of Jefferson County possible, thank you.
Oh my Lord. And this is what I have. This is why I'm nuts.